Prior to filling your spa, remove all access service panels around the exterior of the spa. Inspect for any item that may have come adrift or loosened during transport. Leave doors off until the spa is filled with water and a check for leaks has been undertaken. Check barrel unions on all pumps and heater to ensure they are tight, as they may loosen during transport. They must be tightened prior to startup. Check external drain fill valve is closed and drain cap tight. Check shut-off valves are in up position. This allows the water to travel through the pipes to your pump. The only time these are closed or in the down position is during servicing. Fill your spa with clean water. Remove one filter and place a hose directly into the skimmer box to fill. This will help to alleviate airlocks being created in the pumps or heater. Fill to the level shown on the skimmer box faceplate. Replace the filter once the correct water level is achieved. Ensure the filter is inserted into water top first to allow all air to expel out of the filter cartridge prior to reinsertion. Ensure hard cover clips have been installed to the cabinet. Check for leaks around and under the spa. If all is satisfactory, please continue to start up.